what's up? And today I'm going to be showing this new version of Brookhaven. So it's an update and it has like a flooded Brookhaven. So I'm just gonna show you the music will get it away, but don't worry, you can still hear me, hopefully. So you need like a VIP house, a VIP thing to get the house. Oh no, you don't, because it's the same person every day. Yeah. Oh, it's from Miraculous. So this is like a house, and then this is like the person. But the really weird thing with this game is when you sit down, you won't have to swim. So let's go and explore first. You could just stay here. I'm just gonna swim up the I'm just gonna swim to the amulet. Oh no, the amulet. And this is the really best part about this. The best part, which I like to jump on top of the try and get more. This is like a float kind of. I'm just gonna stand on the giant. So there's like a lava mountain over there. I'm not gonna go there because it's like too far. But I'm gonna. Oh my god! Look. So I haven't explored this bit yet, but this is actually like the city. So I'm gonna go in the hospital. So the hospital hasn't changed. So I'm just gonna try and sit down on one of the chairs, and then once I've done that, yeah. I actually haven't explored this bit yet, so I'm just going to explore it. I wonder if the horse is like famous riding still here. So I'm going to have a look. I'm just going to have a little sit down. I'm not, so yeah, that's the flooded Brookhaven. I don't think the other one is here. Oh, it is! Oh my god, guys! Look! It's all these like city bits, so I'm gonna try and play one of them. Oh, they don't work. Oh my god, guys. I actually didn't explore this bit before I went on this game and I filmed it, so it's kind of like new to me. Oh my god, guys, look! So thank you so much for watching, but before we go, I need to show you the barn. Well, the barn hasn't really changed, but the houses are like really nice. You can see everything on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video because yeah, and every day I will be posting new videos. So this is like the barn. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.